So I'm going to show you how to pair these devices. We're going to start by turning them on, which is just pushing this little button on the bottom here. And as soon as you do that, you'll see that it turns on and starts to be able to be used. So we're going to do that with all 4 of them here. You can see how easily it is to just turn it on quickly like that. So to start with the pairing, you're going to take it and look at the menu. And when you press the menu key, you'll see that options pop up. Here you're going to scroll through the options until you get to this one that says it's not in pairing mode. So we want to switch that to pairing mode. So we're going to press a menu again, just quickly, until no starts to blink, and we're going to switch that to yes. Then we're going to press menu quickly again, and so that it starts to transfer. Now it's available to the other devices to be paired with. So we're going to put our master device here and turn to the other ones now. So again, it's on and working, and we're going to go menu again and start scrolling through the options until we get to pairing as well. So here, no, we're going to press menu, switch that to yes, and then menu again. And now it's paired. You see that this one says pairing and this one says paired. So these are now paired together. We're going to do it again with the others. So again, press menu, scroll through the options until you get to paired here. Pairing no, we're going to switch it to yes. And then instantly you can see right away it's paired as well. Let's do it one more time with number 4 here. So press menu, switch to the options, to pairing, change it to yes, and change it once more. Instantly it's paired. And now, as you can see, we've got the pairing device, the master right here, and then our 3 other devices are all paired and ready to go. So now I'm going to show you how to take these, which are currently single receivers only, and transfer them into being dual use. So we're going to start again by turning them on with the button at the bottom here. So to transfer it to dual use, what we're going to do is again press the menu button. And when it gives you options, you'll see that right now it says single. So right now it is only being used as one. So you're going to press the menu button again until the single starts blinking, and press it quickly, and now it says dual. If you press menu quickly, now it's locked in there, it's for dual use. So we're going to switch all of these now as well. All right, so that's how to pair using a master device and lining 4 of them up so that they can work together. So these are all on the same channel. I'll show you right here that, for example, this one is on channel 1 and this one as well. So these are all on the same channel. What we're going to do now is change 2 of these to be transmitters. So right now you'll see that it says R right here for receiver, and we're going to change them both to be transmitters. There's an easy way to do that. It's just to press the menu button and the plus sign right here. If you hold it for a quick second, you'll hear it vibrate and feel it as well. And now, as you can see, it's become a transmitter. It's no longer a receiver. Put that right here and show you as well for this one. Right now it says R because it's a receiver. But again, menu and the plus sign. And right away, you'll see now it's become a transmitter. So one of the best features of the Social Talkie is that you can use a single device to transfer all of the others to being transmitters or receivers. So I'm going to show you here. As you can see, we've got our master over here, and then we've got 2 functioning as transmitters. They've got red lights. This one right here is functioning as a receiver, and so accordingly, it's got a green light here. To make all of these the same, you're going to take this one and press the hotkey, which is just the front, for a second. So I'll show you here. And now you can see these have all been made the same. They're all red light transmitters, or press it again, and they're all green light receivers. Social Talkie solves so many problems of online meetings. Even if the speaker is far away from the camera, their voice will still be picked up well. In addition, the Social Talkie can use more than 2 transmitters, more than any other device on the market right now. If you're doing online classes, Zoom meetings, e-commerce, anything on the internet, you need Social Talkie.
And here I am to kind of demonstrate that. So I'm just gonna be doing a little dance, nothing too special, gonna body roll with it, switch it up, do something like this, easy work, and then, jump around, jump high, do all that stuff, turn around.
So with a typical device, 2 or more people can't be recorded or interviewed simultaneously. But with the Social Talkie, you can have multiple transmitters and multiple receivers. So 2 or more people can be recorded and listened to simultaneously.
Yes, and I know that that's because with recording with multiple mics, you typically need an audio mixer console, but with the Social Talkie, you don't need that. So you can record with several mics without an audio mixer console, and that's just really convenient.
As well, you could use the receiver as a transmitter. Just hold down the button and talk to it, and you're able to communicate with other people connected to the microphones.
With Social Talkie's multi-track recording function, you can record from one device to multiple receivers at the same time. Whether it's a sound recording device, a video camera, or a smartphone, they can all record from one device simultaneously.